Myself, Manoj, and my friend is Manjunath. We are studying in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Our project presentation is embedded system and automated washing machine using PIC microcontroller. Our project is carried out at MRTEX and Bangalore. Contents. These are the contents that we are using for our project. What is embedded system? An embedded system is a combination of hardware and software which is initiated to a specific task. Embedded C. Embedded C is an extension of C language and it is used to develop microcontroller based application. These are the applications of embedded system: home appliances, office, automation, security, telecommunication, and entertainment, aerospace. Tools and technology we are using for our project are MPLAB XID. MPLAB XID is an integrated development environment, is an expandable, highly configurable software program, incorporates powerful tools, and MPLAB XID works seamlessly like the MPLAB development ecosystem softwares and tools. PiximLab. PiximLab is a real-time simulator of development boards into integrated MPLAB XID. PiximLab supports some microcontroller and family of microcontrollers. PiximLab have integrated with the Arduino IDE programming with boards of microcontroller. X8 compiler. X8 compiler is featured of highly optimized C compiler and it is compatible with all microchip debuggers and emulators. It can be run in all the Windows, Linux and Mac OS. C program. C language is a general purpose programming language that is extremely popular, simple and flexible to use. It has structured programming language that is machine dependent and extensively used to write various applications. C contains 32 keywords, various data types, and a set of powerful built-in functions that make programming very efficient. These are the commands are we used in our program. What is microcontroller? Microcontroller is an integrated circuit which is capable of programmed to perform a specific task. The microcontroller contains a single chip, all the components in a single chip, less flexible, less design compatibility. Application of microcontroller are household appliances, automotive industry, telecommunication, aerospace industry, industrial automation. PIC microcontroller. We are using PIC 16F877A is the most renowned microcontroller in the industry. It is easy to write and read the codes from embedded C, and it is a flash memory technology. It has total number of 40 pins and 33 pins is input and 7 are output. This is the board of a PIC 16F877A board. This is the flowchart of our project. Peripherals. LED. LED is an external device connected to a microcontroller port. LED blinking is the most basic project with a microcontroller to see a physical output. One can understand the concept of the input-output configuration. As LED is used small current other than lightning. It is a simple circuit of a LED. Switches and keys. Tactile switches. A tactile switch is which switch uses operation is predictable by the touch. Most users of tactile switches are input and output signals, and they are used in like monitors, televisions, and mobiles and radios. Matrix keypad. Matrix keypad is a number of inputs required still to save the controller in IO lines. They are used to rows. They are used in like rows and columns. Timer. Timer is a specialized type of clock which is used to measure time intervals. Timer and counters are more important as timer can tell the time. Counting and timing allows the controlling the brightness of LEDs, controlling the angles of servo shafts and PWM signal generation. The microcontroller have clocks in the other they use to decide the outside of the microcontroller. Microcontroller needs clock so our program can be executed in regularity with the clock. Buzzer. Buzzer is an electrical sounding with device that generates sounds. Typically powered by the DC voltage, they can be categorized as piezo buzzer and magnetic buzzer. They come in different design and uses as well, and based on they can produce different sounds. CLCD. CLCD is a character liquid crystal display. It has type of 2 display, 16:2 and 14:4. 16:2 and 16:4. uses to display ASCII. They are used in ASCII characters and symbol. It is totally 16 interfacing lines. It has D0 to D7 data transfer line and RS line, register select line. When RX line is 1 is data and RS value is 0 is instructions. Let us see actual working of automatic washing machine simulation.
Let's see in the MPLAB simulator. C contain a full code of this project, and we have declared a buzzer, DC motor, LCD display, and assign it to some of the button, and we have declared different cases for different types of the wash. First we have to start the washing machine. So if you press key 5, the washing machine should 5. We have to assign it to key 5. Then we have to define a few of the wash program, and we have to assign a water level setter and a timer setting for a washing. After doing all that, we have to assign it to a key. After the code is written, we have to compile it and check for errors. After successful compilation, we have to upload the X file to the board. After uploading, the program will start. First operation is turning on the washing machine by pressing a key 5. After pressing a key 5, the washing machine is on, and we have to select the wash program. After selecting a wash program, we have to select the types of the clothes. After selecting types of the cloth, we have to set a water level by using a timer, and we have to set a wash time to wash the clothes, that is motor to run at that time. After setting the wash time, we have to start by pressing the 5, and if you want to stop means we have to press switch number 6. If the door is open while the wash is start, it will say please close the door, and it will also echo a beep sound through a buzzer. And this is a working of the washing machine simulation using a MPLAB XIDE and a PixSimLab using a PixGenius PIC16F877A board. Now you can see that a wash has started, and a DC motor is running, and the timer is also running. After the wash time is completed, the DC motor will stop rotating. That means a wash is completed.
Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity to do internship in your company.